everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to complete and submit your weekly homework assignments. The first thing you want to do when you get to the assignment page is click on the assignment link, which will open up a fillable PDF document. To be able to fill out your homework assignments, it's important that you have downloaded the free copy of Adobe Acrobat Reader, which was outlined in the orientation module and on your syllabus. The next critical thing we have to do is do a save as. And in order to do this, we go up to the top left-hand corner, click on File, scroll down, and click on Save As. This is going to open up a box that's going to ask us where do we want to save this assignment and what do we want to call it. I'm going to save it on my desktop. That's usually where I start. And I'm going to name it something I will remember. So for me, I'll put MA 70 Practice Assignment Summer 2020. Now be sure that you don't change the save as type. You'll see if you click on that, it gives you a lot of choices, but we want to be sure this is saved as a .pdf in order to submit it. Looks good now. I know where I'm saving it, what I'm calling it. Click the save button and we're ready to start our assignment. To fill this out, all you have to do is click into the blue box and start to type. And you'll see that your information just starts typing. Oops, well, that's okay. I'm going to leave that. Now, what if all of a sudden you realize you need to take a break and you want to come back to that, but come back to this document? Well, that's okay. But what we have to be sure that we do is save the document. Every time you work on it, you have to save it, or you're going to lose all of the information that you typed in. To do this, go back to the top left-hand corner and either click this little link here, this icon here that's a disk, or click File and scroll down to Save. Now we should be able to safely close the document and come back to it when we're ready to work on it again. When we open the document back up, it will have saved all the information we've typed in, provided we remembered to save it. When we're done with the document and ready to upload it, you go back to the original page and you'll see at the top right-hand corner, there's a Submit Assignment button. Click on that, and in the center here, you'll see a little gray box that says Choose File. We have to click this and then choose the file we want to send back into Canvas. Now I'll remember that I saved it on my desktop, and I'll remember that I called it MA 70 Practice Homework Assignment. Okay. And then I'm going to open up the document, and you'll see that it names it right next to the Choose File. Once it's there and I can see it, I will click on the blue Submit Assignment button, and it's going to upload it into Canvas. Now, if it's successful, you'll see at the top right-hand corner up here that it says Submitted with the date and time. If I want to look at the details, I will click on that and it will take me to the page and I can take a look and make sure that it sent the right assignment. And there it is. Okay. So now I know it's the right assignment. All right. And it looks like everything's good to go. If you accidentally submit the wrong assignment, you can come right back to this page. And if you see up here on the top right, there is a button to resubmit. You would just go through the same exact steps and resubmit the correct assignment. Hope this helps, and I look forward to receiving all your homework every week.